Alright guys, we're here at Hennepin Square. And this is my first touch.
These elevators are being modeled.
Are they?
Yeah, look.
Oh, they are.
We caught these just in time.
Oh. Here, let me see the buttons. Oh, what? This is not right. Alright, we'll have to try the other car.
It's being modded.
Mm-hmm. Look how many floor numbers are on there.
Send down to lower.
Wait, that is
We'll
closed.
try it at a lower level. I think these are being modded as we speak.
Yeah. They run really nice.
Bottom drive. Hey, the other car may be right. Send that one out the floor. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, oh look. Otis is modding him.
Look at that. See, call it by her.
Oh, they're both being out.
They are both, okay, press the call. Hennepin Square is being modded. This is all you get to see is the call button. This elevator is being modernized. I want to see if I can find Otis, but anyway. All right, well, I guess I'll end my video down here.
Alright, well,
I
that
wanna leave
really
my
sucks.
contact info for these
That'll be
guys.
it.